In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to nudge in Canva. If you've ever tried to line up text, icons, shapes, or images in Canva using only your mouse, you already know how easy it is to move something just a little too far. Tiny adjustments can become surprisingly frustrating, especially when you're aiming for a clean, balanced design. The good news is that Canva gives you a much more precise way to reposition elements, and once you know how to use it, it makes editing much faster and smoother. To get started, open Canva and go to the project you want to work on. From your home screen, find the design you want to edit, whether that's a presentation, social media graphic, document, or another layout, and open it so the canvas is visible on your screen. It helps to make sure you're focused on the correct page before making adjustments, especially if your project has multiple pages or layers. Next, click once on the element you want to move. This could be a text box, a photo, an icon, a shape, or any other object in your design. Once it's selected, you should see Canva's outline and handles around it. That visual highlight confirms the element is active and ready to be adjusted. Make sure you've selected the exact item you want because the nudge controls will only affect the currently selected element. Now for the most useful part. Instead of dragging the item with your mouse, move your hand to your keyboard and use the arrow keys. Pressing an arrow key once will move the selected element 1 pixel in that direction. This is ideal for very fine adjustments when you need something to sit perfectly in line with nearby content. You can tap the arrow keys repeatedly to slowly guide the element into the exact position you want. If you need to move the item a little faster, there's a shortcut for that too. Hold down the shift key while pressing any arrow key. This moves the selected element in larger jumps, usually 10 pixels at a time. It's a great way to cover more distance quickly without losing the straight, controlled movement that makes nudging so useful. Before you finish, take a moment to review the alignment of your design. Check that spacing feels even and that everything looks visually balanced. Once you're happy with the result, go to the top right, click Share, then choose Download. Select the file type you want, such as PNG or PDF print, and click Download to save your finished design. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.